Good day to everyone. I'm Mad, one Tamad, and welcome to another episode of Farming Made Easy here at Made Farms. Shh, I'm trying to farm here. For today's episode, we'll discuss about our one hive anti-ant beehive stand. So here we have our one hive anti-ant stand. So let us look at the parts and go through the parts of it. So here we have two extensions for frame hangers. So you don't need to put the frame on the ground. You can hang the frames here. It can handle 3 frames during inspection. So there's an upper part and there's the lower part of the stand. The upper part is removable. So let's remove it. As you can see, the upper part has PET bottles to prevent the rain from entering the lower part or the lower cups. So these are just recycled 1.5 liter bottles. And we have 1/2 GI pipes to serve as the guide. So the rebars or the 10 mm rebars can be inserted here. So we have smaller PET bottles which contain used oil. The black stuff you see here. The black stuff you see here is used oil. This prevents the ants from entering the hive because this serves as a moat. So we have 4 and it's attached to the lower part of the hive. So you can easily put it back like so. And then you can use this for Apis mellifera or the Italian honeybees.
So here we have a nucleus hive on top of our stand. It is important that we place the nuc hive on an anti-ant stand because the hive is still weak and is susceptible to ants, especially here in the tropics where ant problem is high. We need to protect our nucs and prevent the ants from invading the inside of the hive. So this is a standard 5-frame nook. We also designed 2 hive stands which we can show you in our future videos. Here you can see the queen with the white dot and some cap brood and larva. And now let us look at our bees pollinating our coconut flowers.
And you can also use this for the stingless beehives or the smaller hives.
These are trigonas, which are our native stingless bees. Because the hives are small, you can place more hives in one stand. In the future, we have wall-hang variations of this hive stand.
So there you have it, our one hive anti-ant beehive stand. Again, thank you for watching our videos. To learn more about how we make farming easy here at Made Farms, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madoda or add us on Facebook, Modular Aquaponics. See you in the next videos. Shh, I'm trying to farm here.